Nazreen Adab. We'll go to the same ghazal from Ghalib. 3 couplets. Gham agarche jaan gusil hai. Even though grief is life sapping, पर कहाँ बचे के दिल है. But what to do? We all of us have hearts. Gham ishq gar na hota. If it weren't the grief of passion, gham-e rozgar hota. It would have been the grief or the worry or the anxiety of earning a livelihood or, worldly problems. So maybe I personally wouldn't be so worried about the philosophical issues and so many other things, including the issues or the worries or the grief of passion. I would be worried about earning my livelihood. Maslow's pyramid. I wouldn't be so worried about my love affairs and about my self-actualization if I were more worried about making my ends meet, getting my livelihood in place. So, simple but beautiful observation. Next, कहूँ किससे मैं के क्या है. कहूँ किससे मैं के क्या है. शब-ए गम बुरी बला है. Who can I tell? What can I tell? This evening or this night of grief is a horrible thing. कहूँ किससे मैं के क्या है. शब-ए गम बुरी बला है. मुझे क्या बुरा था मरना. मुझे क्या बुरा था मरना अगर एक बार होता. If I were to die only once, why the fuck would I care? Just die one night and be done with it. Here, whether I'm sitting thinking about my passion, the person I love, and not getting that person, or I'm thinking about this damn COVID-19, whether it's going to end in May as some have predicted, or in June or July, or it's going to show us a second wave, a real deadly one in November, as Spanish flu showed, and that is also being predicted by some people. Whether the OFR is really as low as some people are predicting or as high as some people have feared, what is that? We don't know anything. We are dying, and with us is dying our economy. We are using up all our resources in this phase 1, which honestly we don't have any option to not do. I think this extension, which lockdown 3, which central government has extended, I don't think the government really has much of an option right now. And in any case, since the government has taken that decision, it is our job to support it. But this kind of just dying and again and again and again and not knowing what's coming, that's really painful. Whether it's COVID-19 or mortal beloved, or even the real beloved, God, reality, truth. What do we know about that? We know nothing. We have zero knowledge of absolute reality, of absolute truth. All our knowledge is mind-mediated knowledge. We really don't know where we stand. We don't even know if we are real or we are just simulations on a very advanced computer. We don't know. We don't have evidence either way. In fact, there is some evidence which seems to say that we are in a simulation. There is some evidence which seems to say that. But because we have no clue about what being real, what kind of evidence that requires, we don't know. We don't know. So कहूँ किस्से में कि क्या है, शब गम बुरी बला है, मुझे क्या बुरा था मरना अगर एक बार होता. And the last one which we'll discuss today is हुए मर के हम जो रुसवा, हुए मर के हम जो रुसवा, हुए क्यों ना गर्क दरिया. We've become really notorious after our death because people remember us. If we had just died at sea, no one would remember us and we'd be lost forever, and we wouldn't have gained such notoriety. So हुए मर के हम जो रुसवा, हुए क्यों न गर्क दरिया, न कभी जनाजा उठता न कहीं मजार होता. Neither would there have been a funeral procession, nor would we have a mausoleum. So there are a few other couplets of this poem, but we'd skip them because I need to complete this today. So some things that you must worry about right now only, don't wait for post-COVID life to kick in, which is that you have to understand and separate bad costs from good costs. Everything has a cost to it. Some costs are bad, some costs are good. So what are bad costs? Fancy stuff, unnecessary spending, uncaring friends, traditional methods, as in methods that have lost their reason, versus good costs. Like what? Loyal friends, learning, digitization, asset building. These are good costs. So separate the two, differentiate the two. Never incur debt on bad costs. Never spend your available cash on bad costs, because we don't know how long, how far this thing is going to go on. You will need your money if this goes on for long. In fact, even to sort of come back to life in post-COVID life, you will need that money. So be frugal. Apart from the things which I mentioned, you don't really need a fancy home, a fancy car, a fancy bike, fashion, or even too many friends. You don't need them because they are of no use really. They are all good time friends. Get rid of the flab and be lean. Famous last words, huh? So maintain good behavior because people remember your behavior. If you're selfish, अगर आप सिर्फ अपना मतलब सीधा करते हैं, आप सिर्फ अपना उल्लू सीधा करते हैं, लोगों को वो याद रहता है. वो आपसे धीरे धीरे कन्नी काटने लगते हैं. जब आपको असल में ज़रूरत होगी, कोई आपके साथ नहीं खड़ा होगा. इसलिए don't be selfish. Learn to serve. Learn to find happiness in service. खिदमत सीखो. खिदमत सीखो. ख़ास तौर पे मुसलमानों से कह रहा हूँ, खिदमत सीखिए सरकार. आज हम दुनिया में रुसवा हैं दो वजूहात से. एक तो ये कि हम अपनी अक्ल इस्तेमाल नहीं करते, दूसरे हम अपना दिल इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. अपना दिल, अपना कंपैशन इस्तेमाल करें, खिदमत करें, बी ऑफ यूज़ टू पीपल, मेंटेन गुड, एक्सट्रीमली गुड बिहेवियर. दैट्स व्हेन पीपल विल सपोर्ट यू. अदरवाइज दे विल हेट यू. दे विल सी यू एज पेस्ट्स. ट्रस्ट मी, आज की तारीख़ में और काफ़ी टाइम से मुसलमानों को पेस्ट की नज़र से देखा जाता है, वर्मिन की नज़र में से देखा जाता है कि ये कॉकरोचेस और रैट्स हैं जो दूसरों की हुई मेहनत खाते हैं. एंड स्पेशली दोज यंगस्टर्स जिनको आदत हो गई है कि बैठ के सारे टाइम पबजी खेलते रहें, ध्यान दें कि अगर आपने गुड बिहेवियर मेंटेन नहीं किया तो जब आपको ज़रूरत होगी आपकी मदद के लिए कोई नहीं आएगा. Go the extra mile to build lost trust with all the people around you, with everyone in your ecosystem, because you don't know when you will need them. Be future ready. Don't be impressed by people who have high social position, like positions of politicians of a certain kind, or media of a certain kind, or religious leaders, etc. Use your own brain. In fact, I can say that the biggest current and future problems will be religious and jingoist bigots who have unfortunately gotten into leadership positions. ये डुबा देंगे हमको. Religious और jingoist bigots, हर तरफ देखो इसी टाइप के लोग नज़र आते हैं. We as a society have to get rid of them, and we can't get rid of them until we get rid of that stream, that strand in our own selves. जब हम अपने अंदर से वो गंदगी निकाल के बाहर कर देंगे तो हमारे समाज से भी ऑटोमेटिकली वो गंदगी निकल के बाहर हो जाएगी. या तो हमारे लीडर्स बेहतर हो जाएंगे खुद, या फिर ये कि वो साइडलाइन हो जाएंगे और बेहतर लीडर्स आ जाएंगे. लेकिन पहले हमें अपने अंदर से दैट स्ट्रैंड ऑफ हेट, दैट स्ट्रैंड ऑफ सेल्फिशनेस वो निकालना पड़ेगा. जब हम वो करने में सक्सेसफुल हो जाएंगे हमारे बाहर की दुनिया ऑटोमेटिकली बेहतर हो जाएगी. Again, going back to leverage, going back to debt, learn never to over leverage. This is the time to learn it, because you see right now all those who are over leveraged, they are in big trouble. Cyber security would probably be a good opportunity. Cloud services. Acha, remember there will be, even if the worst scenario, a much higher second wave peak doesn't come, there will still be some unexpected and unpleasant aftershocks, not just health related, but in many different ways they can come. Be prepared, be ready for them. Expect others to be lonely and depressed, because आपकी कोई बपौती थोड़ी है लोनली और डिप्रेस्ड होने की. सब आज उसी मकाम पे हैं, सब आज हालांकि लोग हैं आसपास, उसके बावजूद सब लोनली फील कर रहे हैं और डिप्रेस्ड फील कर रहे हैं. और जिसके ऊपर जितनी जिम्मेदारियां हैं वो उतना ज़्यादा फील कर रहा है. सो दिस इज़ टाइम कि आपके घर के जो बड़े हैं, जो जिम्मेदार हैं, जो आपके घर के मुखिया हैं, या जो आपके घर के डिसीजन मेकर्स हैं, अंडरस्टैंड देम. दे नीड योर हेल्प. अंडरस्टैंड देयर लोनलीनेस एंड देयर डिप्रेशन. हेल्प देम, एंड दैट विल हेल्प यू ऑल्सो. What will get better in terms of market? Household products will find a better market. We'll see a fillip, my standard wording. White goods may be temporarily down, but rest of the stuff will be good. So what should be your strategy for this time? I think it should be short-term defense, mid-term mitigation, and long-term growth. I've picked it up from somewhere, a very, very marketing lingo, but I thought very sensible lingo also, कि शॉर्ट टर्म में तो आपको डिफेंड करना है अपने आप को, दैट आप बीमार ना हो जाएं, आपको कोविड-19 न लग जाए या आपसे किसी को ना लग जाए. सो शॉर्ट टर्म डिफेंस, मिड टर्म मिटिगेशन, कि उसके जो प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे हैं उनके लिए तैयार रहना, उन प्रॉब्लम्स का असर थोड़ा कम करना. एंड इन लॉन्ग टर्म यू कैन सी ग्रोथ. So I'm pretty sure that there will be industries which will start showing growth by about year 3, and good growth, and by year 5 and by year 10 I think almost all the bad effects will be gone, because the most that this problem can continue is till the summer of 2021, the summer of past the summer of 2021. So I think that's probably when we'll see the third and final wave. So I hope definitely by the end of 2021 we should have vaccines, so the problem will go away. And from that perspective I'm saying this. Okay, I will again repeat that you will succeed only if you go the extra mile. Acha, we were talking about the Baba business in the last one. तो बाबा बिजनेस इतना सक्सेसफुल क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जैसा युवल नोआ हरारी ने हमको समझाया है, हम इंसान जो है ना, वी आर स्टोरी ड्रिवन स्पीशीज. हमें कहानियों में बड़ा मज़ा आता है, हम कहानियों में ही हमारी आइडेंटिटी होती है, कहानियों के ही थ्रू हम जिंदगी जीते हैं. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू बी सक्सेसफुल, then learn to tell captivating stories. I am making a hash of this, am I not? I am not telling you a properly structured story which you can get your hooks into and feel happy and live by. Why I cannot tell you a good story is because A, I'm not really that good a storyteller as I believe I am, and B, because there isn't enough data. I can tell you a story, but if the data turns out to be different, then the end game will be different. My story would have fallen flat on its face. And what I'm interested more in is to be true, not just to be right, but to be true to what is happening. So yeah, apologies that I can be such a drag on you, sorry, but we are story people, we need storytellers, and they lead us. You improve your skills, you will lead people. Okay, now old saying, whatever doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So also COVID-19. It is not likely to kill the human civilization. I expect that this will end up making our civilization stronger, unless we keep acting like the assholes that we are acting like. We got to get together, we got to stop hating each other, we got to work together in unison, and then we will succeed and succeed well. Okay, we've talked about cash. Make sure you always have a positive cash flow. You have available reserve cash. I suspect that I have to say that you should have at least 8 to 10 months worth of expenses ka cash. You should have that much of cash, because I really don't know where this damn thing is going. So if you have less cash, then you make sure that your needs are reduced. So आपका cash आपको उतना दूर तक ले जाए. Don't expect the same privileges as before. Funny, I had remarked I think I've already shared that. Yeah, I've already shared that. But we are probably a very lucky generation. I believe in the luck I have received. Let's hope that will continue. Fear of this problem will go away over time, and then we'll be back to the same old shitty ways. I hope that we improve our ways and some of it sticks with us. Manufacturing will probably be the first thing to open after COVID-19. It'll be with distancing and so forth, and I suspect that that will also be the time when the smart manufacturing leaders would start putting up their plans in faraway places. Yes, they'll have problems with hauling the stuff and people there, but then they'll be sure that their manufacturing will go on while the big cities shut down. Bombay numbers are increasing, and they're not showing any sign of even moderating, even reducing in the slightest. What will happen to the industries there? One doesn't know. High touch services will come back last and will be the most modified. I think that's about all I want to talk today. And now, because I have exhausted my notes, I will probably be away for a while, and only when I have something useful to talk, then I'll take up another 20-22 minutes of your time. Until then, thank you very much. Love you. Be happy. Make happy. And of course, be safe and make safe. This